I've been living in this house since 1973. My husband built it and we bought the land after 1962. It took us almost 10 years before the house was built. Hi, I'm Lee Ming. Welcome to my house at 32 Binjai Park. The house was based on a square grid, and you can see from the plan, there are no funny angles or embellishments, just simple lines. In the final design that was built, we have an upper story. In some of the documents, it was referred to as a loft. I always think of it as a second story where we have one bedroom and a study. The house looked bigger than it is because of the sliding doors opening into the garden, both in the living room and the dining room. They incorporate the garden. He's got very definite ideas that the house should be well ventilated for comfort and without air conditioning. The doors are all louvered. This is still the original grille when the house was built. If I need to replace some of them, it's quite difficult to find somebody to do it now. And even this one, I think it's difficult to find. This type of window, We discovered that there were bats nesting in the sliding door, what do you call them? Rails. They will fly in, not many, but a few, fly in and out, in and out. When they're nesting inside the rail, it's really the size of a thumbnail. The Binjai trees were already on the land when we built the house. Previously, there was a Binjai tree right here, and the fruits will drop onto the roof, but it was only once every 4 years because it's the way it fruit. But one day when it was raining, the Binjai fruits broke the tiles and the rain came right gushing down there. My mother-in-law's room was there. So I just have to, we have to chop that down because, breaking tiles every now and then it's quite a problem. The garden walls, bricks were from Raffles Institution. I remember he personally petitioned to Dr. Goh to try to save Raffles Institution, but was told it was too late. So he had to be satisfied to salvage the bricks from the Raffles Institution. So this is the brick wall that's painted over. And that was probably one of the cost-saving feature. When we built the house, my husband didn't install any ceiling fan because he didn't like the look of the ceiling fan. Then, after he passed away, Tay King Soon came in one day and he suggested that I put in this big ass fan. My children and I feel very honored on behalf of my husband that this house has been recognized by DOCOMOMO.